Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on rounding off money. In many countries, small coins such as 1 cent and 2 cent pieces no longer exist. These countries have 5 cents as their smallest denomination. Hence, when we pay for goods, we round up or down to the nearest 5 cents. The following rules are a great guide. Number 1. Money amounts with digits of 1, 2, 6 or 7 in the hundredths column are rounded down to the nearest 5 cents. Money amounts with digits 3, 4, 8 or 9 in the hundredths column are rounded up to the nearest 5 cents. Let's look at some examples which show how these rules operate. Round off each of the following amounts to the nearest 5 cents. Number 1. We have $23.41. Now you'll see there's a 1 in the hundredths column. There it is there, because see that one there? That's the tenths, T-E-N-T-H-S, and that's the hundredths, so there's a 1 there. So the first rule says when you have a 1 there, you round down. So 23.41 is rounded down to 23.40. Similar with this amount, it's rounded down to 23.40 because you have a 2 in the hundredths column. That one there. 23.43. Okay, now it says money amounts with digits 3 or 4. So there's 23.43. So that's rounded up to 23.45. See, because they're rounded up. 23.44 is rounded up. So that becomes 23.45. See, all these are to the nearest 5 cents. 23.45 remains at 23.45. That doesn't change. 23.46. Okay, so you've got 6 in the hundredths column there. When you have 6 in the hundredths column, you round down. So you round down to 23.45. The same here. You've got a 7 in the hundredths column, so you round down to 23.45. And when you have 8 or 9 in the hundredths column, you round up. And there it is there. Let's look at some problems on the next page. Solve each of the following problems. Number 1. Bill bought 7 kilograms of apples at $2.43 per kilogram. What was the exact cost of this purchase? What amount did he pay at the checkout if he paid cash? And how much change did he get from $20? So firstly we have to work out what was the exact cost of the purchase. So $2.43 times 7. That's $2.43 per kilo of apples. He bought 7 kilos. When you do that multiplication with the trading, we get $17.01. Now at the checkout, because there are no such thing as 1 cent pieces, $17.01 is rounded down to $17. So the checkout bill is $17. So the change from $20 will be $20 minus $17, and that's $3. Let's look at this next one, slightly more involved. Sue bought 3 kilograms of sugar at $2.76 per kilogram and 4 kilograms of rice at $3.87 per kilogram. What was the exact cost of this purchase? What amount did she pay at the checkout if she paid cash? And how much change did she get from $50? So with respect to sugar, it's 3 times $2.76, which gives you $8.28, and I've included the trading. With respect to the rice, it's $3.87 times 4. That gives you $15.48. So if you add $8.28 and $15.48, that gives you $23.76 is the exact cost. Now at the checkout, remember there are no 1 cent pieces, so $23.76 is rounded down to $23.75. So that is the checkout bill. Now, the change from $50, will be $50 minus, so you subtract $23.75. So the change is $26.25. So this video has shown us how we can round up or round down to the nearest 5 cents. That's when there are no 1 cent or 2 cent pieces in circulation.